Hey guys, let's make no yeast, no curd, no cheese and no oven pizza. But if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. For making the base, here I'm taking 1 cup of whole wheat or atta. Next I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Now mix all the dry ingredients very well. So mixing is done. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of butter. Now mix the butter with dry ingredients very well. So this part is also done. Now I'm adding 1 cup of milk, but I'll add them gradually. So I'm adding the milk and at the same time I'm trying to knead it. So basically we need to just make a dough, and the dough should be very soft. And for making the dough soft, here I'm using warm milk. And you can see my dough is almost done, and it's done. Now I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of olive oil and I'm coating it well. You can use butter or regular oil. Now I'm putting a wet kitchen towel and we'll keep it aside for half an hour. Next I'm adding 1 teaspoon of butter. Let it melt. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of olive oil and mix it up. Here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and mix it up. You have to stir them continuously and the flame should be on low. So there is a high chance of forming lump, so you should be very cautious and you should stir them continuously. Next I'll add about 1 cup of milk, but I'll add them gradually and stir them continuously for at least 2 to 3 minutes or until it becomes thick. So stirring it up throughout and gradually adding the milk. So this process will take some time. Again, your gas or flame should be on low. Next I'm adding dried Italian herbs. First one is thyme, next one is basil. Now mix it up. And I want my pizza to be on spicier side, so that's why first I'm adding black pepper powder, mixing it up, and next I'll add the chili flakes. So here goes the chili flakes. You can always increase or decrease the quantity according to your choice. So our alternative for cheese is ready, and you can see how cheesy and creamy the texture is, and trust me guys, this tastes like heaven. This is exactly the alternative for the cheese, and this is ready. Let's just give a look on the dough and see, this is very moist. Still I'll knead them for at least 30 to 40 seconds and I'll show you. See, I'm pressing it and this is very soft, so this is exactly what we need. Now I'm taking a tawa, brushing it up with butter and placing my dough and just trying to stretch it with the help of my fingers. So basically you need to make a dent at the middle, so I'm just trying to make the dent and you have to be very gentle. And you can see I'm stretching it and trying to make a dent at the middle, and this is almost done. Now I'm brushing up some butter so that it will be moist. Next I'm adding some homemade pizza sauce. I have already uploaded a video around 3 years back that how you can make pizza sauce at home, so I'll update that in the description box. Please check that. And as you can see, I'm trying to spread it with the help of the back of the spoon. This is very easy. Now next comes the white mixture or the alternative of the cheese that we have made. And this is also now done. Now I'm placing all my veggies on the top. Here goes the bell peppers, and I have also added some onions. You can add here any vegetable of your choice. You can add mushroom, paneer, broccoli, whatever you love to add. So now I'll add some chili flakes. Now keep your flame on low and wait for next 10 to 15 minutes. And yeah, our pizza is ready. So thanks for watching, and if you have loved our video, please subscribe to our channel. See you again. Bye bye.